Asia.
Oshe changes ebe money na expect say nka coach ebe bought 3 back na but changes am ni nim say nka ene match nka ma siedu a start but wa man sa sani ayeka nim say match no ebe tough match but oshe changes aba Ghana expect say ebetimi a progress e our medal na akoye nim me problem kasi pa ayeye Sam say obenya day cause onyani dey ebe boy defenders na defenders no team e hold the ball no e dey ache entem just say one more teamwork but ekoye individual work there ebe ha Ghana but wo teamwork am just say ade ebe wo hwe odoya say yen consamra no of very difficult but wo hwe now Mohamed Salah na mo dey ade wings wo team to kapa entino won na e wo say Gideon Mensah I do make sure say won team ye more on for one come more na entimi one momentum but yes na koya am just say Ghana futumi hodu on me for no timi pass ball no we am just say because and here win Ghana here win say na start chile no Egypt lose the second match e game bia saba be na Ghana so lose the match e second match bia antino match e ba ye fe papa because you share last 5 matches e na Egypt win 3 Ghana win 1 and 1 I draw it means Egypt inside then so but in African Cup no an African Cup Ghana do second round and a second match aya one ball no e cost no just say this second match the match a very tough match but he say as a Ghanaian na you expect Ghana be win no just say one ball team match and team worker just Ghana be team a progress akọ anim.
I know senior on duty and so I don't know Entino mami science line up no mo ebiem enso no emfa emao uramu ewo Egypta. And you know, goalkeeper no any Mohamed El Shanawi, Samsona Mohamed Kamal, Abrante Mohamed Ghazi, Mohamed Abdul Momen, and Afi Abrante Mohamed Hamdi. And Finfino, any Ahmed Abrante Nidi, and Sonade Fati, Samsona Mohamed El Nani. Up front, Mo Salah, Mustafa Mohamed Mamouche, and Afi Sono, Abrante Nidi, and Sonade Imam Asho, Wayne Abrante Dubakwa, almost Sasia, Eltumi Ade Amam Egypt, Ghana line up no any Richard Ofori, Gideon Mensah, Salisu, Mohamed Samson, Alexander Jiku, Dennis Odoi, Abdul Salih Samid, Mohamed Kudus, Majid Ashimeru, Jordan Ayew, Iñaki Williams, and Afinsono, Antoine Semenyo, Wayne Mrantia, Juba Kwamusono, Shasia, Etumi Ediama, the Black Stars of Ghana. Now, baby, I just for I'm say to me and men, but I'm in coach for me. Mister a quick one on a lineup and I've been expected from Team Ghana.
Okay, match with the MC. I'm out for be per se. What can I say? Send off party my Black Stars for news. What's your lineup now? I think say what the Kudu Sabem and Inaki Williams and sorry feature in there. I think a lot of people expected say the 2 lateral backs now were ball in our first game. The way they performed in Anka this match, they would have been sat down. But it looks like say one will be in Mama Black Star, and maybe so one worry about their expectation they were from Kakra because we saw their performance in the first match. Into Yenshe, let's see what happens.
All right, into the referee from Gabon. Upon a play, about game on Sunom at me, Ashasia, Ghana, elbow from right to left, Samsona Egypt, elbow from left to right, Ghana as usual, SM white top, white down, and Afinsono white hose, Egypt, and Sono Sena red top, and Afinsono black down and a black hose. Coach Chris Hilton, and Sono Etumejinamu, Adama, the Black Stars of Ghana. Star Felix Hope Boane, Abidjan, game no, and so no, so Bonababi D, goalkeeper Richard Ofori, Kwapono, Achishobia Pia, Edamano, Richard Ofori, and then you on a captain, the senior national team, Wapiam, Edama, Brantia, Mohamed Salisu, where Jamu Akoma, Alexander Jiku, Jikudia Kodifa, Edama, Professor Dennis Toy. Odo dia kwache asana go Richard Ofori upon the pim semu wina nitiso elnani wapim ball through upon our Egypt the club on Abrante Nedin Antono Ademamush api Yakano atmi arenatuo Abrante Nedin Antono Ade Imam Ashaw ono ani akana to 25 years ana kunanati upon club football ma Ali of Egypt upon a Egypt ababe di achiri Prancer the big man Hegazi or the Bani Fafem Antonio Diama Kamal quick upon area call achiri for a Prancer in Abdul Moment is where I call Pinkuma Fem for the Pharaohs of Egypt. Hamdi to Ashaw, Yasecha Ashaw, and not to him. Imam Ashaw, Majira Simeru, Anono Kocha Abrante, Imam Ashaw, Majira Simeru, Anono Kocha Abrante, Ashaw, and it's a referee from Gabon. Pierre Acho, ono anaje for the corner by Kudus Mohamed, wa quick upon the poster boy Kudus, opo shot, na surapi. Kudus ananyumre ni paru wana cha sa obetumede Ghana akore promised land na poni kwa Egypt, ababedi Jordan Pierre Ayew harmless, Jordan ekwapono, Jordan quick upon sa poni draw. A draw for the Pharaohs of Egypt. Bon Abeti, a Bransanity, and Sonore. Kamal Kokopono, Watuare Mo Salah, Salakwa, Obopasan and Surabi. Referee Safa, Etia Ghana. Yakoso, Mo Salah, referee, or Safa, Etia, the Black Stars of Ghana. So far, so good. 3 minutes into play, Egypt 0. The Black Stars of Ghana 0. Mohamed and Nani with Jamu Dakwachi. When I come out, Branton and Abdul Moment, Pinkwa Fem. Hassan the Kwapono. Wasada Pa Adama Abdul Moment with Jamu Dama. Hegazi Kwapono center circle. El Nani to Abdul Moment. Egypt and Epa. Swinging passes together. Egypt. Wapodia Kobenkwa Fem. One Epa. A Branton and Tunore. Hamdi to Ashaw, or she should be the man on Nansurepi. Ashaw na Sukrapono, or a question Akoma Abdul Moment to Mohamed El Nani, and Nani Abejapono, Apollo pass at Chucha, a Branton in Hamdi Befana Nansurapi. Hamdi and Timan Fapono, Bono Atrasie, Mohamed El Nani, and Canino Sinakayarima, Arsenal. El Nani Natwane Egypt Nepa Mohamed Mamouche Nansurabi the maker of Baba Japono Ghana Nepa Wine Nepa Majid Asimeru surging forward America Papa Majid Asimeru Nansurabi Debbie offside offside it's here Antoine Semenyo. Offside it's here Antoine Semenyo. Offside it's here Antoine Semenyo. The point in pass to Mo Salah the Kwapono. Gira Mensana. Tabi Gira Manukwine. Salah still with the ball. Atia Faso Nansurabi. Referee said foul it's here Jordan Ayew. Referee said foul, it's here, Jordan Ayew. 6 minutes in the ball. Egypt 0. The Black Stars of Ghana 0. Bon Abedi, Mohamed El Nani, Jamadama, Mohamed El Ghazi Dama, Abrante Mohamed Kamal to Mo Salah Pia pass, Rachuja Mamouche. That's the referee said to us, Sariki Yastari Wachiro, Bon Abedi Ghana. Iñaki Williams, beautiful. Wale passing ya Koni Fafem. One upper, Dennis Otoy America Papa. Dennis, why support Dennis? Obianwo, still Dennis Otoy. No Surabi. Obianwo, Ababa supported Dennis Otoy. Pona Babadi Egypt. Kamal Mohamed right back. Watch if Fefe Kamal Epa. Kamal pass to no Surabi. Goalkeeper Richard Ofori. Goalkeeper Richard Ofori. Richard Ofori. Mekanin Samsa Ofia Bri Equiapem. Richard Ofori Abri Equiapunofi. Bonabedi. Salisu Mohamed Sariki. Salisu na Poneba. Wapia pass na diama Antoine Semenyo. Semenyo back to Salisu. Salisu Chichobi diama surging forward. Salisu nya about to pass. Wajama diama Gideon Mensah. Asaba bedi Salisu bim. Salisu wabo pass na Jordan Hamless. Beautiful 10 from Jordan Yakaratuo. Referee say foul. Referee say foul. It's a Brandon Dean. Arioma Kamal. Jordan Pierre Ayew. Kofi Okorita Freno Hamless. Jordan with the ball. Jordan Epa. Of Antoine Semenyo. Wajama Semenyo. And so Dama Aye Majid to the poster boy Kurus Ajama Salis Wanepa. Wapiana Kodi first order come Prantia Professor Dennis Otoy the Aquachri. Adama Alexander Jiku. You could have the ball by Anusia Kanatuo. Born my team. Imwaite. Ghana Neba. Salis Yanko Yanim. Salis and Satsako. Salis Wajama Semenyo. Back to Salis Bim. Salis Dakoma Muhammad Salisu. Salisu Pianama Jordan. Wa flick ball away to Gideon. Not to be. Nensa Entimianka Gideon Mensah. Jordan Pierre Ayew. Bon club football man Crystal Palace. Our English Premiership. This is an open player. Watch you do power EP on Air Jordan. The two born in Tampa to Egypt never. Now so the big Gideon Mensah pinball in the floor. Dennis Odoy, Wababe Jibono, Better, Ghana, Piana Machiku, Jiku, Yachidia Fijiku, Jiku, Dabi, Yamakwai, Bonasamba Bedi, Abranteni, Ere Ashaw, now Sudapi, Alexander Chiku, Wakom Mariama Branta Mustafa Mohamed, Wachena Wadi, Wachena Mustafa Mohamed Wadi. Majira Smeru. A throwing Ayatu Eretia. A referee from Gabon. Pierre Acho Ase a temporary hold up. The technical team of the Black Stars. El Chenyama. Coach Chris Hilton. George Boateng. And our first son of Masawood, Didi Dramani, Majida Simeru, the maker they call him on the ball. The sports minister himself, Mustafa Yusuf, the sports minister on the stadium. The Sibison and over service and Anosa. I'm Faba Yatemra Seji Akwaba. Ghana Supporters Union Zoom. Amushi Jama Echumomome Mustafa Mohamed Bon Club Football Adama Galatasaray Awateki a drawing for the Pharaohs of Egypt. Abrante Hamdi na Kufabono Oshishobi Atuari Amano Hamdi Waina Banwa Tuboni Amano Hamdi Opoponi Simo now Sudabi Gideon Mensah, no nonsense, where you there free war, Bonabedi center circle, Mohamed El Nani, where Germany command a big man had Ghazi Mohamed El Ghazi, upon the 10 in second Mo Salah Neba, where Germany Mamouche, now Sudabi, the maker Baba Jibono, Ghana Neba, Bonabedi, Poster Boy Kudus, where Germany the maker, and the Babin come up from Mariama Gideon Mensah, Wabolo, Passiche, Antoine control ball for Suruwe, Antoine, Yakane Natuo, referee to play on, Mamma mia, free. Ghana, they say I'm more point that go be. I'm say I'm more point that I say fear na say ba. It's a reference na kwa mo first tournament team no. Entwaye. Bonabedi Kamal Germany akoma Abrante Fati da kwa chire da ma El Ghazi. Ono so da akoma Abrante Abdul Moment for Egypt. Ewa kankona chisa wa Germany ama Mohamed El Nani Stopia Adama, Mohamed El Ghazi surging forward for the Pharaohs, Egypt. Osandi Akoma Mohamed El Nani Neba Ghana Oma steady will give him Ghana is steady Abdul Momen to Abrante Ashaw Imam Ashaw on the body bar what to pass it on now should be over to Mafana now should be Nanka Ashaw Eshisha Hamdi now so Nsa Entimanka Bona Tracia Mano Etro Janice Odo the professor himself Opoponi the Fruo one about Egypt Gazi in Itapum Ababedi Kurus Santa Sekwapia Adama Gideon Menta Gideon Empa Gideon Wapianama Kurus with my day Kurus Mohamed Kurus Dandanosa or the Aquadia Majid Nepa the maker beautiful Wachama Salis and Soda Koma Dennis Odoi to Inyaki back to Odoi Ghana pa tupa Kurus Bona Babedi Ben Kumafem Gideon Mensanapa Wajama Jordan Echo Jordan are you no Sudabi Debbie Nanka Jordan yes or China Sonfa Bona Babedi AFA Etia Egypt AFA Etia the Pharaohs of Egypt AFA Etia Egypt A free kick for the Black Stars. And see Ima wana timinka. Wawufu aichisho Ima wana timinka. Oma mishisho anyone. Ima Oma mishisho. Oh the Black Stars. Oh the Kurus Mohamed Ejrechiri. Bakumi Yenwesa. Jordan Ayew. This could be the opener. No Sulabi. A corner Ima Otimika Wamishisho and see Quanimo Ima okay I'm some mamma who needs young pianim a corner Abrantian in the area of Mama Moose no copying board at the corner a corner for the Black Stars a corner for Black Stars Jordan say, Madame Kouachi ni abre. Madame Kouachi ni abre. Salisu Mohamed Sariki. Jina boxing Jordan. Antoine Samanyo Sichinam. Bakumi Yenimensa. Yaboni TTM. Oriama Kurus Bede. Kurus Pia. Kurus Obine Jina Wenimpa pass and money. Bona Babedi. Tennis Soto. Oboni Tintim. And your pass. Richard Ofori, captain and numere. Osiabotre, Obiamra from Ajobre, Yabese. Bonabedi, Salis Mohamed, Wajamdama Salis Samed Abdo, Salis, or the Aquacho da Koma, Alexander Jiku, or the mother professor, Dennis Odoi, Odua Bobon, Tintin, Inyaki Apim beautiful, Wajamadiama, Antoine Samanyo Nepa, Antoine Samanyo Neko, while cross the ball on us to born up him. Eto Etia Ghana. Eto Etia Ghana. Kofi, 15 minutes still Ghana 0, Egypt 0.
Well, no, I think it's a balanced game, but just because Egyptians are slightly ahead in terms of possession and creating chances. But I believe Ghana almost to me are responding compared to your first game, my boy. This time around, almost making sure say the powerhouse of the Egyptians almost strength. It was a game we mono. Flank now almost use no. Say no supplies into me encore. Osha Gideon Mensa Dennis Odoi almost yard and of course when your Antoine Semenyo to me Eric Obakakra at the and Egyptians one monitor ma almost bought milled food game. enti no ɛyɛ afoɔso mo abɔ Milford ɛhɔ nso na mefo sɛ Ghana ye take ye dominate ɛwɔ hɔ no but aka sɛ at least sɛ yɛkɔ yɛ anim a yɛbɛtumi make a very good amends na yɛtumi a position yɛn ho and we said sɛ anka this game no sɛ yɛtumi nya winger bi ɛwɔ mu a anka yɛbɛtumi aboa yɛ paa ma match pressure any agency yɛtumi aba anim hɔ very good football ɛna yɛhwɛ ɛna nwummerɛ yi but I strongly believe sɛ Ghana yɛre yɛn ho kakra na afei nso no yɛde much effort ɛwura game nim a ebi a yɛbɛtumi anya first goal.
Bono and Fautia Ghana opponent and Paso Ababedi Hegazi the big man Betway I see cash out big and then you know Ghana give me the Olai savings in Nadia Guachirama Ghana near Queen more Betway cash out near Queen Bell Eyes I see my Philippa Loma Vista IPS Square Obia Camfo Obia Bonidi Sansuna Japaya Construction Bonabedi Abrante Imama Shaw on the Cracker Bono but Jamaria Abrante 40 now see I can not represent also Ghana Nepa Jordan Opia passing Yama Salis Abdo back to Jordan Ayu Jordan Hamless Jordan Nepa Jordan Opobia supporting yes Onimunioye Bono ontiasia obede desa. Bono ontiasia obede desa. Bono ontiasia obede desa. No bi ani won over bono ngoma wan. Bono ontiasia obede desa. Obi ani won over bono ngoma wan. Bono ababedi. Alexander Jiku wapia dia koma. Tennis to back to Jiku. Jiku Nsono ekwekwa bone ama Salis Jiku ejamade ama Nyaki Williams Nyaki na Surabi Entman for Babedi Muhammad Eneni to Abrante 40 Ababedi Mo Salah switch play Akobenko FM Nisabet Makayana, Abrante Hamdi on the left hand side. Hamdi, whatever the map. Mamouche Napa, Mamouche, we're boxing him. Mamouche, Dabi, and foul with Egypt, yes. Abdul Salis Summit, Referee Naniapri, Osimo Salah, Obama card, yes. Osuya Brigo, Mama card. Referee Okache Mo Salah, sir. Oya Brigo, Mama card. Also, ya brigo. No card. And forward your body here. Egypt. Your body at edge of Ghana. Richard also Biancom. Richard Ofori so Biancom. 20 minutes so far. Egypt 0. Ghana 0. Bakum yeni mensa ya body asinse mutintin one pa Muhammad Gazi wa pimidi afruo Bona bedi Kudus na so debi ya je faade atiano Kudus are very quiet in the Kudus were very quiet in the game. You can't blame him much. Ezani se ne kura na tanko ba start intino untumi sera emblemino Eve's Hills Hotel ose bra na ba jojo ho yo la te kwapem bra Blessing and Greatness Ventures adansi ehuni ama papa yeni Brakasin aduane papa obenya Bona Babedi Egypt goalkeeper Muhammad El Shanawi wajamu Adama Branton ni Abdul Momen back to the goalkeeper El Shanawi the winepa Obiama to Gazi Nepa or the body from Umar Kamal Ejama Sandia to Momain. Momain the quick upon his Ubia tactically disciplined. Bonabedi, Egypt Nanso, Dennis Odoi, what clear lines. The Professor Dennis Odoi. Bonikra, Asho, Amfa, the pass and anchor. Asababedi Uma Mamouche to Kamal to Mo Salah, Obo pass and Bianco. Better from Gideon Mensah. Now so there be Mohamed Oneni Jamu Adiama Branton Adi 40 Adiako Koma Ekazi Nepa Sergeant forward Salah Adakwechi Dama Abranti Abdul Momain Tukapono Wapia Adiama Hamdi El center line wasa Onoso Adiama Mohamed Oneni El center circle Wapia Adiama Hegazi Fafem Megazi Wapia Adiama Kamal back to Hegazi quick ball wine or Chichano but across center circle Kudus Ampani ya cross the ball now to Gideon Mensah Onimnechi safety first Nana as Kudus
as you said earlier on, from the start of this tournament, now you move Bernard out. It's a Kudus. Even this game, will to me as started. And well, as we know, West Ham for me, he's not all that fit, and that was the reason why in first game went to me and Bobby. Even Blasters campaign, campaign or Ghana, and San almost set it off. Even in their friendly match against Namibia, we realized Kudus wasn't in town by then, and he only had a day training before the start of this tournament. That's why he has been slow in this game. We are waiting to see, as the game kick starts, he warm himself into the game, and we will get to know the Kudus that we know.
Kudus never. I think Kudus on to me by yin film, Masa. Yaniabre on to me by yin film, Yaniabre. On to me by yin film, and Yan Kwana player park no so. You're afraid 27 players. Nipani Abru Kruma, Masa. Yamma Susa, on to me Manawatri, Nani Obetuma Bonabo. Pona Babeti Abdul Momain with Germany Akoma. Abranti and Dene Hamdi is Wapia. Kukaponisa Egypt. Abranti Lidin 40. Wapia Dama Mohamed Hegazi. Center circle. Hegazi Ghana. City back Egypt and Mobonina. Boni Ababo. There's a counter attack in Ghana. Ebeyusu. Bonabedi. Abranti Hamdi with Germany 40. 40 Kukapono. Kukapon Saadi Aba El Neni so Jamudi Aba Abdul Momain and Kukapon Sa Momain to Hegazi 25 minutes still Egypt 0 Ghana 0 Jordan beautiful Jordan Eba Jordan Ayew with Jamudi Aba Semenyo to Jordan Echo Jordan Ayew Jordan to Semenyo Debbie Gazi Amanokwai Yapopone Tintin Mo Salah Nansolebi Richard Ofori Ababe Chibono It was a nice play from Jordan Ayew. Bonabedi Salis Samid Wajamu Ariama Salisu Ariaba Binkuma Fem Ariama Prantanidi Adi Gideon Mensah to Majid Ashmeru Ajamu Ariama Salis Nansurebi joining live on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 on Facebook or Command Radio 97.1 Ghana 0 Egypt 0 on YouTube or Command Radio 97.1. On YouTube, Okuman Radio 97.1. Patrice Musepe, CAF President. CAF President Patrice Musepe, Oche Gimnity. Malui Francis Sedabos listening to you live from Guaso, our Hafo region. On the Diapa, Bono Atrasia. Asa Bayukana Gideon Mensah once again. The first game against Cape Verde. Oh yeah, at the corner and also or sign minim baby anajun war park and so. Minim baby anajun war park and so masani penny abre. Abrantia Omar Kama ala from Omar Kama era from Menya show so betuma to aso. The magic spray no edi aguso edi amano. Referee na na ni bra bre no. Referee na na wa ba brigo bi abeko fietam. Obi anyo obi ahwe. Obi anso yi obi ahwe wa bro obi anyo obi ahwe. Yanku anim. Eto Abrantia Imam Asho oni ball ne ball. A cooling break. Imam Asho oni ball ne ball. Oni ball ne ball pa. Abrantia ne de Majida Simeru. Obagana FIFA oni ball ne ball. Majida Simeru, former player at my West African Football Academy, Wafa. And they Osina Academy Anderlecht on upper Majid the maker. Opia Pasano. Opia Pasano there come out Dennis Otoy. Otoy ne quick upon Dennis. Wajam with them Salis. Salis to Majid. Opia da coach them Jiku. Jiku Antona Diama Salis Mohammed. Salis to Jam with them Gideon Mensah. Gideon or the coach Sanema Salisu Sariki. Or the Akoma Jiku Onifafem. Alexander Jiku has an appear Adama Salisubium. Ubia, very careful. Ubia, careful. Ugo Bio Kakrabia, Edba Toto. Jiku Krabono. Wajama Salisu. Pa to pa. Wajama Salis. Mamma mia, Inakia run it tata. Inakia run it tata. Mamma mia. Salis. Opia Pasono Nasra Biamfa Yamananko Abrantia Omar Mamouche Yamananko, referee from Gabon, or Selfa Etia, the Black Stars of Ghana. Referee in Fifre Clotten Okrano. Anote referee send away the channel. Mistake Kikado be in red. Why the channel? A foul, it's here, the Black Stars of Ghana. Free kick. Free kick for the Pharaohs of Egypt. Free kick for the Pharaohs of Egypt. And you're born in the Simone Aslebi. The Pimidi free war, born already. Abrante Salah. Yeah. Amfa, Ghana Neba. Inaki. Nansurebi passing Amfa. Egypt Neba. Omar Mamouche, Abedi Mustafa Mohamed, Wapia passing at Aquacha, come up Branson Dini, Hamdi to Fati, Wapia Dama, Abrantian Dini, Fatibim, Wajamuda Kama Branson, Kamal, Dabi, Amfa, 31 minutes played so far, Egypt 0, the Black Stars of Ghana 0, Betway. I said Gatway more. Okuma 97.1. live commentary, 34th edition of the African Cup of Nations Cote d'Ivoire 2023. Yabo Pasino Semenyo Obefana Semenyo Wafabono Wine supporting Antoine Semenyo where you born in the Simona Surebi Ya Pimboni de Fruo Pimboni de Fruo Bona Sababidi Salis non quite sure Jordan and Surebi in Sentiment Jordan Ghana ya bottom against 11 Gurus no more winning free that's all. Oh yeah, you be asa. When you need free, enjoying. Any cooling break here, you move up. Hey, Jinsio. The Black Stars of Ghana 0. The Pharaohs of Egypt 0. Ghana 0. Egypt 0. Yaka Egypt and a tournament Amajano and Brahma Kuma and so 7. Egypt tournament no Amajano Makumako and so 7 times. Their first international game on boy was in the year 1920. Abramani Italy boy. Italy has shown academy no mamuti mubago. Ebano Nations Cup. Kofi Oma make it 26 appearances in the Nations Cup. Egypt. Oma make it 26 appearances in the Nations Cup. Their first ever Nations Cup appearance was in the year 1957. 1957, Nomu make your first ever Nations Cup appearance, and they won it that year. It's Imagine 7, 1957, 1959, 1986, 1998, 2006, 2008, and after 2010. It's Egypt. The Banaf Corner on our General Dopa 7 times. Osha Egypt, the biggest defeater. It was in the year 1928, 9th of June, Abramani, Azuri of Italy at the Buani, Italy Shama, Karmakumaku, Tubako, 11 Mamuti Mumiansa, Sansuna, Egypt, and in the biggest win. November 1963, Abramuchi, Indonesia, Esano Akano, Makumaku, Edunum, 15, 120. Satamna, Egypt, a friend United Arab Republic. Ochi, Indonesia, Bonakano, Dunum, 15-0. I know any biggest win. Yantwa game the so, Bonababidi. Abrantian Idiari Hamji, Hamja Pianama, a short now to be a Yipon de Fluo, Dennis Odoi, a client allies, one else supportano, the crossy bono now to be Jiku, no nonsense defender, Dennis Odoi the professor, upon a club football, Edma, Club Bruges, or the Belgium Pro League. A goal kick. Yabaretia Egypt 36 minutes in a ball. Egypt 0. Ghana 0. Upon in temper so Bonabidi. Abdul Salih Abrantia Salih Mohammed. Upon it Shoshan Antoine Semenyo. Well, we are so be at you. Nansu referee self foul. Referee self foul etia Semenyo. Antoine Semenyo. Referee self foul etiano. I say, hey, Massa, oh yeah, brigo. Also, Referee Pierre Aticho. And then Ojani Nanso, referee and Ojani Nanso. Oh boy, Juma. Oh boy, Juma, pa. Antoine Samagnon, Bonnet football man, AFC Bournemouth. In the English Premiership, this is a Niyama Konkaina Mano. Bonabedi, Egypt. Mohamed Ghazi. Wajamudi Amabrante, Omar Kamal, right hand side, back to Mohamed Hegazi. Hegazi, Osam Piadama. Kamal, back to Hegazi. Hegazi, the quick bonisa. Or they are coming from Maria Amabrante Hamdi. Hamdi to Mamouche, Hamdi Neba, Opinion to Mamouche, Omar Mamouche, now so Salis. One man, yellow card by Mano. Yellow card, according to Amabrante Abdul Salis Samit. Yellow card, according to Amabrante Abdul Salis Samit. Wakofa Amabrante Omar Mamouche. Wakofa Amabrante. Fawitia Salis and so Bonnet Club Football our front Adama RC Lon Bonnet Club Football RC Lon or the French League. A free kick for Egypt. A free kick for Egypt. A free kick for Egypt. Salah Ginechiri. Uma Mamouche so Ginechiri. Mama Musha Genechiri. Referee Semi Baba and Sana Bebo. Salah. If you are born in Anobodia, nobody in the Tika. Ghana for your right hand side on ma. A free kick for the Pharaohs of Egypt. Referee Wafina Nipa. Wabona Bay. Nansurebi. Wapimboni the through. Gideon Mensa, Wajibono, Adiama Egypt to follow. Wajibono Kane, 39 minutes, 0-0.
Well, Nana, I believe first half, a bit me and a draw game. Wosha, as a Ghana for no, I relax Kakra, and just as we said, Wosha match effort from Abrante and Idiadi Kudus Mohamed, Yehuno, Ewo game name. And obviously, as a short to Kakra, our melt for the no. And eating my Egyptians not taking control, almost a wings, I've said earlier, Sir Ghana and careful with set pieces are a normal community. And Osha, a year baby, Egypt for who any a year free kick near the pieces now. So one take it on my how because Omo and conform me a very good our set pieces. And Osha send a game no is Nana, your fishes in attack, and Yadia Ekoye, and as at 39 minutes, 40 minutes, Ghana to me ball shot on target. And of course, Sawosha chances are creating only 3 chances. So it tells you, say, now, Bona Yebono, you hear much improvement. Send your bear at least, you bet to me, I can say Egypt team way, you bet to me, Ashomo, but in here tactical reasoning. And I'm a force on the part of the technical team, one more to me, but young how or made me keep you on within the first half. Now, Yasha strategy, second half. Yeah.
40 minutes played so far. Egypt 0, Ghana 0. Bonabedi left hand side, Gideon Mensah. Obo Parton Antoine Semenyo. Obianama Jordan. Beautiful turn from Jordan. Wajamia Kuma Salis the quick Krapono. Or should be the man. Wajamia Jordan and you. Jordan. One epa. Obiamba. Jordan. Now so a foul. A foul. Ghana na the ball by Salisu. Wajamo de Ama Alexander Chiku etu Dennis Odoye to Majira Shimeru the maker to Kudus Mohamed. Emfa. Kudus Mohamed Emfa. Majira Shimeru, beautiful. Majira Shimeru, Majid, now Sudabi. Mamma mia. Yamaninko, better nonce to them referee. Mamma mia, referee. Referee say, Eddie. Referee catcher Sally say, Massa, or last warning, Sawati. Oyebiem. Referee on 0. News on your visitors. Referee Pierre Aticho from Gabon. Yantua Kevin so born Abadi. Abrantani at it 42 Omar Kamal. Kamal only 4 from Edema or the question of 40 Chamadama Gazi. Gazi quick ball Pianama up to Maman at the Bonipa. Maman on the Soda Cobin Quaffam. Or the Kama Brantia Omar Mamush Omar or the Belcher Beam. Oya Soroya. Or the Padiama Branton in the 40 the quick bono 40 or the Queen Fafem. Achuche Omar Kamal across you. Debbie. You born there for referee to also born inside one the crab bono Egypt. Now to goalkeeper Richard Ofori. Goalkeeper Richard Ofori. Richard Ofori about Chipona Diama. Ghana. 43 minutes played so far. Egypt 0. Ghana 0. Okuma 97.1. Join live on Facebook Okuma Radio. Sounds on YouTube, Okuman Radio 97.1. Gideon Mensah, Wajemu, Adama Kudus Mohammed, Pianama Jordan so I should take Gideon Mensah, Adama Gideon back to Jordan watching Fefe, Jordan and you to Kudus Mohammed, Adama Dabi, Kudus Mohammed Mfa, Egypt Nebano, yellow card Bekwana, yellow card reference, sorry. Referee says sorry. Omar Mamouche sorry. Enya foul. Kudus Mohammed me say second half yen uniform. Kudus Bono Mobi yen uniform. Bona Babedi Inaki Williams. Or she show be the man of Piana Kudus Bede. Kudus Neba or try so baby. Kudus passing it to Semenyo. Wajam the man Inaki Williams. Inaki Williams. Opiada Koche Dama Dennis Odoi to Semenyo. Antoine Semenyo. Better Dennis Odoi across here now. Professor Wacross you. Tabi Jordan Eba. Jordan Bede. Piama Gideon. Tabi Jordan Bede. Wacross you. Tabi. And one Awayano. Crossing and Wacrossing. Now, one on the Gideon, crossing on like Gideon, man. Hey, Ghana for Ababa, we say Ghana for. Hey, Ghana for Mo Salah from Mohamed Salah Ella from Mohamed Salah Ella from 45 minutes in now, so referee the 4 minutes and a day to so. Mohamed Salah to me Mobium. Mo Salah into me Mobium. Mohamed Salah on to me Mobium. Mohamed Salah to me Mobium. Senior. Salah on to me Mobium.
I'm saying when I'm string on to me Mobium. But I say just at the very first 20 minutes, I tell me, so not Ghana, about half from Egypt will settle down on Ghana for the team put a zip on the beam. I might, slow, I will game when I'm going to Nama, Egypt not quite a use of flanks anymore. But it's good, Who say now the team who do Egypt for no, am I in a boy fight, kudos to your boys, who to me say, I just say, and new one, I say, why a sharp cacra. Now, always born in terms of anymore, Senegal. At least a change now with metal shot to a cheer. Body would the 8 line that you meet that shot. And even I say what's that because but we say atwetwe na aye more but they won't use the ball into no more shot in fear team this no ontimi mo biem nti no be ya advantage am Ghana because they say other no yet said kase power park na so but hwenke e betima e bibi
Mohamed Salah wafrim wantuma to aso Mohamed Salah from Mama Mustafa Fati Wabem Mohamed Salah from Mama Mustafa Fati Abem and then Egypt aya ordinary se Ghana na yantoaso abedi Alexander Jiku Ejemu Eriama Salisu Mohamed Sariki Salisu Nepa Salisu Oshisho bi Diamond Wajemu Gideon Mensah bo pass no ball there to Jordan beautiful from Jordan one is supporting no one is supporting Jordan and you Jordan one ever Jordan and you Jordan Obian supporting Obian ho Bona Babedi Salis Ejemu na Kurus goal the Black Stars of Ghana yes Mohamed Kudus the poster boy Mohamed Kudus the poster boy Wapoko the Black Stars of Ghana Mohamed Kudus the poster boy Mamma mia Kudus Mamma mia Gonaba Kofi Gonaba.
Well, of course, Nana Gonaba, and I wish a very well taken goal from Abrantia Kudus Mohamed. And Nana, we they are looking at the quality here, Omukrano, a defining movement, Edema Omo national teams, and then no, and Abrantia Kudus Mohamed, why you know, what I say with the quality out Ukrano, he can do anything at any time. Yehun is share more than this crucial area West United, and he has been one of the players. I've always said, sir, on your ball inside the 10-yard boxer because of the technique, the ability, and the intelligence, you know, to be making collective decision. And I know, and a brand here, Mohamed Kudus, Wama Ghana at in front of this particular game. Well, I think, sir, now a very strategic game. And I was say to me Eddie now that about the first half of the game no every kudos to Mohamed, and of course Ghana we still have a chance in this game so far as Mohamed Salah out of the game.
45 minutes to the ref before the referee Babana Bay referee from Gabon Wapona bendi ofedi kanina panawiye. Wapona bendi ofedi kanina panawiye. The Black Stars of Ghana won. The Pharaohs of Egypt 0. Go Kankati. The poster boy Mohamed Kudus. Ono no pogo ni Ghana. Yitwa umra. Na ofeto sinu no. Komo hono. Yatmi ade atoaso
Radio 97.
Again, this is
Okuma
Asamoah.
Radio 97.1.
It's there!
Right, Okuma 97.1. Second half, Etmasha said a match between the Black Stars of Ghana and our first one, the Pharaohs of Egypt. Egypt 0, Ghana 1. Go Kankati, the poster boy Mohamed Kudus Onyakono Ariama Ghana Bono Ababadi Aprante Abdul Momen Piara Koni Fafem Antono Timariama Mohamed Gazi to Aprante Atia Faso Ghana Nepa Cruz Wajamariama Jordan Harmless Jordan Ayu Jordan Opefa Jordan Wewini to Born and yet to born no and young candidate to born che and candidate to born yana do ko him sa and name was sa born about it Richard Ofori goalkeeper Richard Ofori Wapo woni dia sinsemo wine and it so ya pembo ni de friwo born abedi Majira Simeru wajamri Jordan to Gideon Menta Jordan beautiful ya candidate to Gideon Menta nepa across the bemu. Hey, Gideon Mensah. Akwe crossing a baby. Jinsio, Coach Chris Hilton, Obonsio. 46 minutes, Ghana 1, Egypt 0. Bona Babati, Abrantan, Mohamed Hamdi. Oda kwacho Rama Brante Abdul Momentu El Nani Kokopono Wapiara Kuri Fafem Adama Brante Niding Antoine 42 Kamal Ochicha Abrante Mustafa 40 the Pia Patro Mustafa Obeding Akurano Onibonibo Mustafa Egypt Nepa Ometuma Bibiana Nansurapi the Jiponi de Fruo Jordan Ayu Wapiara Magiro Mensa Nation or Podia Sinsemo Nansurabi Bona Babidi Egypt Binkuma Fema Brante Hamdi Wabo Parton Nansurabi Professor Dennis Waide Fruo Wajamia Kurus Nepa or the Mainaki Williams Naki Bakunimana Wapiana the poster boy Kurus beautiful ten Bekanatuana that can not one rough reserve foul Etia Abranta Niding Are Mustafa Mohammed Referee said foul Etia Brantia Mustafa Mohammed Ogocha Kurus Mohammed and the tour Yabobo in Tampa Abdul Salis Samet or the coach Alexander Jiku to Salisu Mohammed Salisu or Pierre Kobenkwa from Gideon Mensah Winepa Jordan Ayu Jordan harmless Jordan Ayu Jordan or Pierre Bournemouth Abrantia Bona Babedi Ghana to Gideon Mensah or she should be out to the mano. Watuariama Antoine Semenyo control ball Fefe Semenyo against two defenders of Okwana Semenyo beautiful Wanya corner a corner for the Black Stars of Ghana Man Mohamed Hagazi Naniabre a corner for the Black Stars of Ghana. Jordan Ayu Nejina corner nechi. Jordan Nejina corner nechi. A corner for Ghana. Jordan Nejina ponechi. A pipana ni mapipana hinano. Bakumi yeni mensa. Wayari Asimo Nasu goalkeeper ya post shot Debbie the man again Debbie Eka kiti bi Eka kuru Kangor Makana Etro Egypt Amaton Tempa so Bona Babidi Abrante Hamdi Ajamu Ariama Pantani Diare Fatu to Pastor Nasabi Sariki Salisu Pimia Friwo Jiku no nonsense or Purpum Yadi Friwo El Nani Irana Senator Rafi Foul Reserve foul Referee said foul Ghana referee boy starting on Sreda. Mohamed El Neni. Port Club football man Arsenal. A free kick for Egypt, the Pharaohs. Mamouche Nejana Bonetti. Wayadi Asimo. Dabi. Offside. 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 Anka Egypt Atiomuka. Offside. For me, I know offside, but I don't know. For me, I know offside, but I don't know who yet.
Well, now from the commentary position, before say ball free kick, one say player na original the offside. I think say we interfere with play. Na we share how crosses na ya player no shape no so na original offside position. And he share from the reviewer, assistant referees wamo edibeba na share decision na ebe ede aba but say yeti commentary position e there yehu say fly ball no we share the movement of the Egyptian players yehu say as a basically but as to say near okofa ball no na original offside position there. It depends on the VAR to decide. Share how we review decision about to me about from where we are standing how that incident goes there. For me, I think be a slightly offside. Share near referee no the better.
Offside. Offside. Mohamed El Ghazi. Goal Angela into Egypt 0, Ghana 1. Into the video assistant referee Wayne Juma Abrantia Antoine Semenyo from Mamma mia. Antoine Semenyo from the three wise men. The three wise men. Chris Hutton, George Boateng, Masaoud Dramani, Professor Fautika, yes, Professor Dinitia Kariama Richard Ofori. Professor Dinitia Kariama Richard Ofori. Menyani ntia se ukopie mo akpona ome piatum konfo nyina mo ya heavy pa konfo mo ya heavy. We say good evening boss, God bless you, I'm enjoying the show pa Mokoman FM Ghana 1 from Icon the integrity designs inside Bon Aojo onoso ne dia odiaba Egypt napa na nso da bi Jiku, no nonsense. Mamma mia. Alexander Jiku. Alexander Jiku, no nonsense. Twan Semenyo naba, Semenyo. We tell them Jordan, harmless, Jordan. Egypt naba. Now Surabi. Chiponi the through. Bonababedi, the Pharaohs of Egypt. The Pharaohs of Egypt and the Poniba. Abdul Momen, Wapia Koma, Umar Mamouche and the Poniba. Referee say, Fawetia, Dennis Odoi. Fawetia, Professor Dennis Odoi. And the boy, I shared that boy. And I shared that match. Denise Ojoy, the professor. Bonne Fawetia Kudus, the Bonneton Paso, Egypt Nepa, Egypt, Bona Babidi Abrante Hamdi, Inyaki Makwayana, not so beautiful. From Inyaki Williams, or Baba defended. Or Baba defended, come on. Or Baba defended, come on. A defensive throw for Ghana. Gatun Paso, wine and it is so Egypt, Bonabedi, Omar Mamouche, beautiful pass, Omar, Salisu Omakwai, Salisu, Akorana Janan Fefe, Yakros yo, Richard Ofori, goalkeeper, Richard Ofori, Monsieur Ofiabri, Abrante Mustafa Fati, Odiagro, twisting and turning, Akorani Mobo, Mustafa Fati. Onibonibo, Nansu goalkeeper Richard Ofori, Wachele Sophie, Elburiampa. Aturu Waso Bonu Sechuche. Mustafa Fati. Kete sa. Otia Grotu. Gideon Mensah, Bobone Frio Jordan. Bonabedi Salis, beautiful control from Salis. Passing Amfa. Abedi Egypt, Nansu the maker. Yes, Majid Wamakwai. Bonabedi Anani, and then the Pia Passon, the Amabrant and the Mamus, Obobone Datuo, Mamus Neba, Mamus, Dabi Jukwamakwai, Bonuka Mamus, Salis, Dabi, Mamus! What a save! It's a corner for the Pharaohs of Egypt. Omar Mamouche Naniabre. Why you corner need a Simo Dabi? Yeah. Yanibra Brio Kromano She. Abdul Moment or Pimbon there to baby. And a goal kick. It was a nice save from Richard Ofori. Bonnie Club football by Orlando Pirates out South Africa. The goal kicker here. The Pharaohs of Egypt. Niparapa Papa Alexander Jiku Naniabre. And here water breaker Mamin Sumin Kuli Mua. Nana 59 minutes, Egypt 0, Ghana 1.
The second half has given us a good football, Papa. And I can see say Egyptians now warming themselves into the game, coming into the second half. 30 minutes played in the second half, and Omar warming themselves into the game. And even you could see say they warming themselves into the game. And then on that goal now, VAR already decided said that goal was an offside goal. And you could see say the urgency is very there, and they are pushing men forward to at least get an equalizer. And we hope to see say at the end of 90 minutes, we see what the outcome will be. They have given us good football so far, and the urgency and the power is very there. We see how the Ghanaians will contain them, because in terms of upfront, Egyptians and putting men forward to get the equalizer.
Alexander Jiku. Obekle the line side corner. Abrantia Fati Osijuku Ukasa Sorini Mbobono. A corner for Egypt. Pressure na starting Mountiba. Corner Omar Mamouche. Why they see one Sudan is doing body of free. The professor. Professor Doolittle. Hey, Gideon Mensah careful. Egypt now Jiku. Get beautiful from Jiku. Why you there free? Gideon Mensah on your careful. Hey, Gideon Mensah. Why you there free? Egypt na the ball ne ba. Jordan wapia da kwachiri ore Gideon obon pim nation Samanyo beautiful control Samanyo use body no that be hey Kudus amini na yoni ni Kudus amini na yoni ni anka Kudus ya fete pa ovi anka ko ebe di agro Kudus ona no chance for ball no man no say Papa Alexander Jikuri ni tapim de free Salis wapim Jordan Eba Jordan per foul yes when you foul Jordan Pierre you onimbo ni ball papa Jordan are a very intelligent player Jordan onimbo ni ball Jordan Pierre you Shani Boba Kensiasi Olympic Marseille Ekopie mo Sochaux fi Sochaux ba Borma ya Aston Villa Majira Frim Majira Shmere Frimama Baba Idrisu Abem Papa Idris Obama be imagine Smero I think say injury. Majira Smero free mama Papa Idris Obama. Yantu game so. Mohamed Onani ono kweka pono. Onani da papa nkwa from Chicha Abdul Momentu Hamdi back to Momen Egypt. Ojamu diama Elneny to 42 Abdul Momen. Foul it here Antoine Semenyo. Foul it here Antoine Semenyo. Referee say abutre. Ball already 40 we jamu dema Hegazi shisho bi dema no. Obone ten na so bi Salis wa pimre free Gideon Mensah onu so body boom abedi Jordan wa jamu diama Gideon Mensah Gideon kuka pone sa wa jamu diama Antoine Semenyo ne ba pass Inaki be running pass bon abedi Jiku wa pia pass ne ma Salis ampana wasem Bon Abedi Mohamed Ghazi for Egypt on the ball neighbor. Ghazi na the ball neighbor. Abrante Mustafa Fati. Now so there be Salisu Amanukwain. Abrante Mustafa Fati on the ball neighbor. Semenyo na the ball neighbor. Obe piana ma Jordan. Wajamu dama Kudus. Egypt Omar Mamouche Nabi Eka kitsan ka Egypt atiyomuka Omar Mamouche tormenting the defense of the Black Stars. Bad way. Bell Eyes. ECU's Hotel. Soundtuna, Blasting and Greatness Ventures. B&G Ventures. Papa Idrisu. Obo Pasano. Nansurabi. Anko. Bona Babedi. Kurus, Wajamariama, Dennis to Kurus, back to Dennis Otoy. A throw for Egypt. Took ball in 10 pass over Abedi Mohamed Elneny. Elneny the Kwekwa Bono. Elneny. Ode akɔ center circle de ma Mohamed Hegazi. Hegazi neba. Ɔbɔ ne tenten hwehwɛ Omar Mamouche. Omar Mamouche. Labi. Abrante Mustafa Mohamed. Ɔde ne nsa akɔ Ojiku represent to aso. Awɔ de de. Ɔbɔ de ato Semenyo. Antoine. One ever. One is now to the be. Jabi Amfa. Obia anywo Bona Babidi Mustafa Fati Akorano ba no dia agro Mustafa Fati wajemu dia ma Abrante Kamal dia ko achire dia ma Abrante Fati center line o dia ma Abrante dia de Abdul Momentu Hamdi across the ball. Oh, now to Salisu. Wa clear ball in the free. Pressure neighbor. Chiku once again up in the free. Bona Babedi. Egypt. Mohamed Elneny abo pass. Now to Salisu. Gidia free. Pressure neighbor. Elneny afirma Mohamed Trezeguet abemma babeyi Mohamed Elneny. Mohamed Elneny wabemma babeyi Mohamed Elneny afirma Mohamed Trezeguet abem. Inti Egypt apego. First touch Mohamed Trezeguet wajemu dia Hamdi. Cross now Amfa. Hey, Gideon Mensah wada obonim. Wa win foul. Abrante Mustafa Fati. Akorane ba no Diagro. Diagro papa. $68 minutes. The Pharaohs of Egypt 0. The Black Stars of Ghana 1. The Pharaohs of Egypt 0. The Black Stars of Ghana 1. A goal kick. Richard Ofori. Bakumi Mensah. Babo Edema Jordan. Beautiful control from Jordan Ayew. Jordan. Nakanda to represent also. Bona Babedi. Egypt now to be Inaki Williams. Egypt. A goal. Egypt ati omuka. Henry. Egypt ati omuka.
Nana, I think we know a mistake from Inaki Williams and Egyptians take advantage. And then Omatumi equalize our game name. Blaster still has the chance to score. I saw Egyptians now Yashomi. Obviously, one more add the pressure every back game name because call out at least Omatumi and equalizer. And Osha Sanya game is here call we position na Inaki Williams ejinana. I think now opese onlo ti goalkeeper no na a bad decision from him. And after no pass no the call no na power bia enim enti a straight pass to the opponent and Abrante also take advantage was got the ball no any the equalizer in this game. So far no metumi aka say 1-1 aye true reflection of the game. Egyptians no still one more add the pressure beba. But I strongly believe that born now Ghana for Bono. One more say one more able to me taking one more chances. Yeah, right back and then your left back see to me yeah changes be a woman. I think say Bebua because Eneka Gideon Mensah on to me konenim and I will show an efficiency as a second of Yaba from Tiashan Yebesi. Goal!
Mohamed Kudus, Mohamed Kudus, Mohamed Kudus, Mohamed Kudus, Mohamed Kudus, goal! Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma mia, Bonapa, ego, ego, Mohamed Kudus, Mohamed Kudus. Hurry! Mamma mia!
Nana, I told you, and I said, sir, we're born now, Ghana, yeah, born now. It is better, sir, you bet to me at the match efficiency, but anymore, near taking a chance. And of course, and no, and yet to me, another second goal of the game. I strongly have the confidence, sir, Blasters, looking at this particular, no, obviously. Sir, you more kakra now complacency if you are now the individual qualities and no enso epevuwe Emma team enya win and no ena Kudus Mohammed to me actually it was our game way more the brilliance and the quality where the players are and of course so me to me deliver say I believe sir still 3 points no yensabe to me aka and the voter response from the Ghana national team after say Omutumi Enya the equalizer no I think say this time around Omutumi Nana a good lead for the Blasters.
Inaki Williams Freemama Osman Bukari aba Inaki Williams Inaki Williams Freemama Osman. The Black Stars of Ghana 2, Pharaohs of Egypt. One second. Mohamed Kudus, about 2 goals. Born about in Fifi. Born to cry Omar Mamouche. A Chamariama. Mohamed Trezeguet. Trezeguet Neba. Mohamed Trezeguet. Born about Egypt. Egypt has Egypt has the second goal. Egypt has the second goal. Egypt has the second goal.
I'm say Ghana, Bukari, ana wakwasi onsa kwa che pasa wadi asigo mse complacency esi Ghana fu medike akase da say odo ya bre de daada e wo so yi odo football nim wa bre de daada o ke wa je ball odo ball kwa fa we team odo ball kwa de we team e dia ni ape na ho asama ho atem ko ya se achew ya achew free 2 goals na ye de achew keke 2 goals na Egypt se na ye de achew yadi achew 2 goals na yadi achew because o she ball aye ball me hu ne dia sisi a Bukali bae na wa be ko so goal
Egypt 2 Ghana 2 Egypt 2 Mamma mia. It was a sloppy play from Bukari na Edubon Kocha. Tana Ghana ya committee ni nyina result into goal. Ghana 2, Egypt 2. Ghana 2. Haverinat. Mamma mia, Haverinat. At the stance in my monitor. Ghana 2, Egypt 2. Born Mighty. Ghana 2, Egypt 2. 76 minutes. In the ball. Born Babedi Gideon Mensah. The Germany come out Salisu Mohammed. Salisu upon it, Jordan Ayew. One a Babe supporting him. Yakane de Natuo. Far away here, Egypt. Yakane de Natuo. Antoine Semenyo Nepa, for Borana. Semenyo, Yamanukai. Born Babedi, Egypt. Beautiful from Egypt. Born Abedi, Egypt. Ma Asho, Germany Akuma, Abdul Mumen is Germany Hamdi. Hamdi Germany Mohammed Trezeguet. Mohammed Trezeguet a Jaco actually Dama Abdul Mumen. Mumen the quick upon. Or she should be the Amano. Born Abedi Mohammed Trezeguet. Now see Yamanakwine. Two blunders from Ghana. Nina results into goals. Born Wekra Abdul Mumen. Ejamu dama Hegazi. Pimi dia firu upon Abedi Cruz. Ejamu dama Jordan a quick bono. Born Abedi Egypt. Abo pass no Obefana. Now so offside. Offside. Foul. It's Egypt. Foul. It's Egypt. Abrantia Mustafa Mohammed. (78 minutes). 8 minutes played so far. Bona Babedi, Papa Idrisu. Wapia Koma, Jordan Ayew, Yamanakwine. A throw for Ghana. Now pass to Germany, Salisu Mohammed. Salisu Pianama, Salis. Our center circle. Ababedi Salisu Mohammed. Baba Idrisu Wada Oboni. Egypt Nepa. Trezeguet Mohammed. Germany Mustafa Mohammed. Mustafa Germany Trezeguet. Mohammed Trezeguet. Obet Makwana. Now so Salis. Obe intercept the ball. Body a few. Ababedi Mustafa Mohamed. Mustafa so Jamadiama Abdul Momen. And I call it far from Jamadiama. Omar Kamal ready. Kamal ready Boniba. Kamal passing up for Sababedi Ben Kumafem. Amdi across the ball. Oh, now should I Gideon Mensa. I want to boom right there through. Antoine Samagnon, beautiful control. Samagnon. Now should I be passing on for? Bona Babidi, Egypt. Abdul Salis Samed. Abdul Salis Samed. Adafom. Abdul Salis Samed Adafom. Abdul Salis Samed Adafom. 81 minutes, Ghana 2, Egypt 2.
Well, it's been a good game so far, but it's really hurting. The blunders our defenders are causing, because you can't say a player up front will do all the work up front. Now defenders more cause these blunders. Even the ball that caused this second goal, I was even thinking the defender was going to clear the ball once, and here lies the case. How far was on the 18-yard box. Looking at the Egyptians attacking, they are very good. Looking at this young chap, Mohamed Salah, this boy is very, very good in terms of flexibility, their generosity and everything. The boy is very good. So balls like this, you don't have to joke with it in the 18-yard box. And here lies the case, Akosi Blaster so badly. We are hoping to see if they can make amends and even score the third goal. But how the Egyptians are playing, it will be very difficult for now for them to score a third goal.
Bon Abedi Omar Kamal, right hand side. Across the ball, Salisu. Egypt need a few. Bon Abedi, Egypt defense. Abrante Gazi. Jemu Ariama. Abrante Abdul Momen at the ball. Abdul Momen. Now Sudebi. Jemu Ariama the goalkeeper. Asanya Babedi Abdul Momen. Momen Apia Ariama. Jemu Ariama Abrante Anidi Antonare. Abrante Anidi Ariaya. Amda Egypt Nako. Now Sudebi. Nanka Egypt a penalty now Zomo Santimanka. Nanka Egypt a penalty now Sudebi referee says sorry near Bobo. Abrante Anidi Imama Shaw Nanko penalty. Now the referee Sudebi. Osman Bukari head on went to me Enubia. Bona baby Osman. Now so Bona Trash a Joe. It's here the Pharaohs of Egypt. A true Egypt are born Bona baby Kudus Mohamed. Kudus, quick upon his own Ademano. Beautiful from Kudus. Bona baby Dennis Soto. Odoyana across the ball. No, Nasurebi. Pim there through Bona Samba with Egypt. Munchra one day, Baba, Chira one day. Foul, it's here. Foul, it's here, the Black Stars of Ghana. Hey, BKB. BKB at Jabruta. Hey, BKB, I'm actually ship de la Vigna. Foul, it's here, Ghana. Foul it here Ghana. 85 minutes. 85 minutes. Egypt in the ball nepa. Ababedio Abrante Omar Mamouche. What Jeremiah Mohamed Trezeguet. Auto pass no. Now Salis. What's when you born and through? Abedi Abrante and Mustafa Mohamed shorten up him. Born inside. Akakudinifa. Abrante Mustafa Fati. Mustafa Fati against Gideon Mensah. Beautiful from Fati. He born there through a born inside. Mohamed Trezeguet opo short ball up him ball say Egypt now so Salisu Yefro Gideon Mensah Kudus Neba Wajamu Diama Bukari Osman Nanso Ejiponi de through Egypt Neba a foul for Dennis Odoi. A foul Adamadonis Odoi the professor. 86 minutes still Egypt 2. Mustafa Fati Obemo Diagro. Abrante Asho and we Diagro papa. Asho we Diagro. Imam Asho and we Diagro. Yantua giving us so. Bona Babidi. Black Stars of Ghana. Gideon Mensah the quick upon or should be the mano. Jamuriama Jordan Ediama Baba Idrisu Baba and Swadia Bechidama Alexander Jiku to Professor to Osman Bukari Osman we are boxing more. Egypt Neba Omar Mamouche Opia Passo Egypt Omar Bona Babidi Mohamed Trezeguet Odiama Mustafa Fati Mustafa Nanso Alexander Jiku once again Alexander Jiku Mustafa Fati Mamma mia Egypt Dabi Abrantia Mustafa Fati Obemono Odiagro pa Mustafa Fati Odiagro Unimpo pa Abdul Salih Samit Ofrimo ama Elisha Owusu Abem Salisa Frimo Elisha Owusu Abem Ababeyi Abranti and the Salis Joseph Penton Sobem Ababeyi Osman Bukari Osman Bukari Bermuncha Joseph Pinto Ababeyi no Joseph Pinto Ababeyi Osman Bukari and Kofi said it said Osman Joseph Pinto deserves to be done Osman Bukari and on the Osman Bukari by and once again was start taking it off. It means coach I'm say Govi I don't know.
Well Nana Osman Bukari after say Okoso sa blender na yes second goal no. Obviously, to me, it taking on the defenders. Now, so the final delivery, and said that him. So I think, sir, on the other hand, maybe a coach for say why frustrated. So the better option, they say, be taking it off. But in the meantime, Nekrampono, Osha decision about coaching the Bayana a bad decision because this is a game. You hear players are put more threat at the Egyptian because Omono Babe open field football. Omo Babe my full attack. Omo Babe attack more. Etiyansu here players are yes you bet me the attack omo. And of course Osman Bukari didn't buy yawo Ernest Nyama ewo bench and I Giuseppe Sumunina ewo bench. So these are players at least in Claudio Bema. You bet me and your little agency ewo anymore. And you know Yansha now no to me change but we have limited time to finish the game. And Yansha how you bet me akono.
Joseph Pinto Pierre Dennis Odoi Wabo cross on Surabi Ball near corner. Referee this 7 minutes and the atoso. Referee at 7 minutes and the atoso. Ghana baby Biana. But the Anyawo fought. Referee this 7 minutes and the atoso. And a corner for the Black Stars of Ghana. And a corner for the Black Stars of Ghana. The Black Stars of Ghana. Andre Ayew motivating the boys. A corner for Ghana. A corner for Ghana. A corner for Ghana. Jordan Ejinechiri. Bakumi Yenime Sawa corner and Yasimo Dabi. Paul say Jordan B. Jordan Bedding. Obetumachiana. Jordan. Another throw. A throw. A throw in for Ghana. A throw for Ghana. Attacking throwing. Dennis Odoi. Dennis Odoi Watubono. Joseph Pinto across it. And so Bienwa. Bienwa Mabona Trashia. 7 minutes are referee to Siabom 2. Aka 5. 7 minutes are referee to Sono. Yabo 2 Aka 5. Born Ukra Egypt. Babedi Mohamed El Ghazi. Mapiana man goalkeeper. Anasa Brant Abdul Moment. Moment is like Jemu. Jemu de man El Ghazi. Upon the 10 1 all. Dennis Odoi. The Premier Fro. Mo Egypt. Nanso Gideon Mensah Babe Ibo Nefro. Bona Babedi. Mam Shaw Egypt. Mohamed Trezeguet. Across the Bono. Nanso Debi. Bona Babedi Richard Ofori. Bona Babedi Richard Ofori. Abrantia Nidiade Baba Idrisu. Ojamo Diama Elisha Owusu. Elisha Owusu de Kwekwa Bono. Winepa Elisha. Opian Sandi Akoma Dennis Odoi back to Elisha Owusu. Owusu Elisha. Oshishu Obidiamano. Obianko. Obian major pass. Odama Dennis Odoi. Odoi. Obo pass on the church. Samanyo Nansirabi. Incentive and Casamanyo easy for Bono. Boom. Madefiwo. Abedu Salisu. Odem Koko Ajibono. Diama Gideon Mensah. Gideon. Oshishu Obidiamano. Diama Baba Idrisu. Baba Obo pass on. Diama Jordan. Jordan. Watene Fefefe. Jordan. Wine support Jordan. Jordan. Wine support no. Jordan are you. Now so there be a Ibo Nefro. Bonnie throw. Egypt for Bono boom. Another throw in. 7 minutes I let us about 4 Aka 3. 7 minutes I let us know Yabomu 4 Aka 3. A throw in Gideon Mensah. Watubon Yama Jordan Ayew. Or she should be Yama beautiful from Jordan. Jordan Eba. Or the Yama Samanyo. Samanyo will pass Nana. Samanyo will pass it. No, so be. Now, so be anyone. Goalkeeper Mohamed El Shanawi. Baba Bechebono. And there's Tapia Nuyama to bench. Bona Babedi, Egypt. Abrantia Hamdi. Hamdi Krabono, the Aquachi area. Abrantia Nidi, and Sonore. Abrantia Kamal. Krabono, the Aquachi area. Mohamed El Ghazi. El Ghazi. Abo Ediama Abdul Moment. Inside the Aquachi area. And Sonore El Shanawi, goalkeeper. Goalkeeper for Egypt. Upon it, Abedi Mohamed Trezeguet. Trezeguet yekukwani Musa Mohamed Trezeguet Ojamuri ama Abranta ni yari Hamdi neba Ojamuri ama Imam Asho neba Yamani space Asho Egypt Mohamed Kamal for Egypt now so be Dennis Odo apim the free ball and say Asenkra Egypt neba Egypt Abranta Asho now so goalkeeper hey Antoine Semenyo enewadi agro Semenyo neba running in now so be a corner a corner for Ghana. For Ghana, you bet me. A corner for Ghana. You bet a corner for Ghana. A corner for Ghana. A corner for Ghana. Bia Timan Cabo 7 minutes in Aso. 7 minutes in Aso. Referee upon a bandy giving in a Banaria. Referee upon a bandy giving in a Banaria. Egypt 2. The Black Stars of Ghana 2. Egypt 2. Ghana 2. Kofi 2-2.
Nana 2-2. What shall say a game no to me aqua. Now no. Group no still na open depending on alternate results now. To me abano, but looking at how game no is echo now, this is some of the reasons. There can say there are players I was say to me committee na to me echo edemo mine and no any Egyptians no one more aye in their first game and in this particular game as well. When you send your game I think say mistakes in kakra ye to me no and across ye and of course also the decisions from the technical team now and also and course ye and yensa and to me 3 points no where this time around ye nya 1 point him say your next game ye be boy no group game no ye say at least no ye bet me a winning na saving ye to me enu cramp na ye be sure say the third best place teams no you bet me aka ho now you qualify from the competition. This is game sometimes here game management and no a tactical approach sani be approach game no enti no yen and I to me manage and ye ama this time around 3 points in no ye dey out to baby enti going forward nana I think say I was say you to me suya yen lesson mehu a little improvement in our game compared to the first game ye boy and Mijidi say to me improve against Mozambique and you want say Bia Ghana can win that particular game. Now Yashwe say at least you bet me a progress area but also and then I think say the Egyptians has done very well. One more actually passionate, one more edema, one more mind, one more fight at all costs. Say at least Anya Shea Crampona was so much to me point. I was giving him and no to me enya. So a true reflection of the game. Two teams am a nice football and going forward I think say a better area my other teams send a better at the end of the day you the beauty of the African Cup of Nations. At the good to Ghana I think say so disappointment now and I go and to Yansha how are your next game nana you bet me approaching match
Henry Kofi Asare Jr. Nana Kofi Afi giving up on the way 2-2.
Okay, it's a good game, but me being a Ghanaian, for stars. Sani Akan all hoping for a win. But for me, I told a friend, say, today's Ghana's best results was a draw. But looking at the tempo, Blasters, Eddie game, and even scoring the goal, and even after say Egyptians equalize here, right after the quick response at Ghana, we were all hoping for Sanka Ghana victory in a day. But defensive blunders and Akosiyeng. In the first game against Cape Verde, it was a defensive blunder and Akosiyeng MAU Lucy, and here lies the case that today also 2 defensive blunders Akosiyeng and Ghana Nyabo draw. Let's hope for the next game against Mozambique. Let's go home and do our homework very well. But for me, our coach, in terms of tactical changes or lacking ideas, very, very much. He is lacking ideas, and it's hard time his helping hands should communicate to him so that he will do the right thing at the right time. And yes, Ghana all the time. Well, it has been a 2-2 draw, and it's a good game altogether. We hope and go home to prepare for the next game against Mozambique on the 22nd.
No, and I could feel free Monday. 8 p.m. Corona, and I say Ghana and Mozambique. 8 p.m. Monday, 8 p.m. Nice, yeah. But still, your hope, sir, you will qualify. Not I say 1 point. The Mozambique automatically are qualified, you know, and between Egypt and China game also Cape Verde and Mozambique. The pie draw, but you have 4 points. Are definitely, I think, say third place team. No, if it's my boy, now you qualify. So this is against Egypt. This but nearby so now players and I watch it in Zona yeah. Senior, Piam Nianko. Now,
Yabeko, and I'm say a young and a yakwaso, young coaches in our young, and I want Kwashana on my young Yabo draw because we share match here, we share 2-1, it's all managing game, you know. Minimum idea did Dramani. On what you were because yes science yes that is but still mistaken because what I 1-1 as your managing game now the pong I would defenders now but now be managing at the pong what was a Bukalima won't mean to me now winger will go here when Anka will be Gina Egypt to way I will it's Yanni Yakwaso coaching now also and I come out draw because I'm and you draw match. Kamachi and your draw match.
I see on duty. I'm watching out pa. We see the global sports. Now is here didn't come out on. I say come from Betway Ghana Samsung Bella is. Ya no mas papa. Ya bo afo nyina ya mas mo munya breba e be share game nyina ebi wa hanom. Ya me Enkamo Henry Kofi Asare Junior senior on duty Samsung mini and Kofi Free Austin be boy come and no na any bring to support from afar. Nti man ten car yan sayar da su papa yerbesi na achana ya ba midin ere Kelvin Amponse achana good night.
The headline sponsor for
If so,
never so ya hefa.
Hey, we are how Jerusalem won. Unti If's Hills Hotel in Kayana. A hotel wanwa subia aboku apimen mamoku apiman aye de. Na ye hotel wanwa swa e hono kohodia ahoto so eba ne bambo eba ne se bebia e hotel na ho ya akomono dia. E ho ne If's Hills Hotel.
Hey, inti hotel sa woku apimen mu ha.
E ho nti se bebia na na ukoya e ho niama basa. Danga ukoda mukura ntontom e wodan da bi. If's Hills Hotel de ahwante sa na ne eye fene ya kono wo ho ne se abra wo de wo nan si compound ho ape na automatic free wifi edam wo wo phone so na ba ne car park enso dia eye spacious a wo car net den wo benya ba bia park ye wo fan room se ho ne de obi wo ho a on pe air condition room ope ba bia fan bo ebi wo ho onso a wo pe air condition dan wo mu no so no eno so ebi wo ho restaurant enso e wo ho e ho no de aduan bia wo pe bia wo benya bi eye continental na say local dishes oh minua wo benya bi edi wo ho papa na ne san ye fe wo ho ne se awia bono hyewa ba If's Hills Hotel se wo swimming pool a eso rana be gware wom na ye exercise ma wo ho ntumi nto eba no conference room a wo bi wo ho e ho so papa san so na impa no so no ye wo queen size and king size wo yeseda na wo ho ento ni nyina no e wo If's Hills Hotel
akuapem hefa na hotel se wo
e wo late akuapem David Junction na sa wo wohwehwɛ ho akyi di a wobɛtumi afrɛ wɔn ɛwɔ 0263 466 793 ana 0535 015 553 ne nyinaa no for reservation ana se enquiries bia no wobɛtumi afrɛ wɔn na nwayɛ saa ama Eves Hill Hotel, your hospitality.
Nene dear me adma miskin say black spots Jimenimbos na me read den so aye basa wager me arewo any agenje kopem se me yonko brebo introduce Gluta wide range of products ma'am glutathione no collagen component a ewum ni siesie honam no etie ni na mani ye fesronko hydroquinone nim enti emane ha okra Gluta wide sebenhia wamma me read dia ye fe ubenya bi o cosmetic shop bia enkratwe FDA agiatu
Okuman Radio 97.1 FM ye doye tie for ye panesanti ena ye bie ye ntaba media mo bibiara ene nwumaku aworo se wo pese ye bo niema wo dero edema wa ye krado bra na ye ne wo enidwa ana sa wo yosofo na wo pese wo preachi ana safo na mo pese mo preachi a akwanya eda wo bibi na ato ena wo pese ye bo hu dero edema wa akwanya eda ho bra ana sa jingle hu sense productions na wo pese ye edema wa akwanya ewo ho ana wo ye show bi na wo pese ye be fa live ewo Okuman Radio so a akwanya da ho se ye edema o ne hia ne se obefrɛ yen ewo 0202 993475 ana 0594630059 ana 0246 246875 Okuman Radio ana okriape mayano
Okuman Radio.
'cause you're his next witness. Living it. I tell you we are living it. We're living it. This crazy way. We are living it. I'm living it. This crazy way. I tell you we are living it. This crazy way. Leaders study wars anytime they want. Some for their rights, some for fun, and their own glory. Yeah, letting people die for the wrongs that they do. Oh, it's painful. Come on now, little boy, say your prayers before you sleep. Community, the press didn't rest, making news, not a few, mama. Now is the time you show them, oh, that he who laughs loves the best. That's the way it is. He who laughs loves the best. That's the way it is, mama. but they just can't understand. I tried and I tried, and Lord, no, I tried to make them understand. I tried, I tried, but they just can't understand. The more victimization is upon their back, the more foolish they becomes. The more victimization is upon their back, they satisfy Lord for less. I tried, I tried, but they just can't understand. I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried, but they just can't understand. When will they ever learn? This one turn them fool, that one turn them fool. So what are they waiting for? Fix up yourself and prepare to meet Jah, that you satisfy Lord for more. I tried, I tried, but they just can't understand. I try and I try and I try and I try, but they just can't understand. Father die in pain, mother die in pain, slavery continue. They say we have no right nowhere, in no corner of the world. And I try to make them know this, but they just can't understand. I tried and I tried and I tried to make them know, but they just can't understand. 24 hours make one day, they told us. 7 days make a week. And out of all of that, the old 365, they can only name you 7 days. I tried and I tried, but they just can't understand. I tried and I tried and I tried and I tried, but they just can't understand. We beat them at night, we beat them by day. They take no heed. Church bell a ring and the children a sing, and them still satisfy Lord for less. I try and I try, but they just can't understand. I try and I try and I try and I try, but they still can't understand. Sun is waiting on them.
He's saying that he's the first one who discovered Jamaica. And I say that. What about the Arawak Indian and the few black men who were down here before him? The Indian king and Ulanga. Here comes black man and woman and children. Ahina jam dunglanya. Holy pa mix up, a holy pa bedo. Now be straighten out. Crispy pa kologo, jam blast the blind. Crispy pa kologo, jam blast the blind. Yes, black. From home, I and I need to go between and Redin and Golo. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Oh, that jam dunglanya. A holy pa mix up. A holy pa pedo. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Come on, 12 tribe of Israel. Oh, that jam dunglanya. Jah. Yes, Jah. Christopher Columbus is a jam blasted riot. Christopher